What's up, my friends? Today I'm recording a clothing haul. This is super out of my character. I'm still excited to show you guys. I noticed a lot of popular YouTubers actually do these types of things just to kind of share their lives with you. And I only go shopping once every year or so. Every 6 months to a year I'll go shopping. And if I go thrift shopping. So I checked out Open Door at Delta, and I've been there about 3 times, so that's over the course of the last 2.5 years, I think. I never leave disappointed. This place is amazing. The workers are volunteers, so none of the proceeds have to go to paying employees. So everything stays under $3 almost, unless you go to the home goods section, and most of the time they're still under $5. So I budgeted in about $20 so I could get more business clothing and some tighter fitting clothing, because I've noticed a lot of my stuff is getting very loose and boxy on me, and I actually found some really cool stuff. I did go out of my comfort zone though, so there's a lot of shit here that I've never really done before, never really worn before. So they had a couple deals going. Blue tags were buy one get one free. Tags with stars were 50 cents. So all of the yellow tags get you $1.50 off if you get 3 of them, and that stacks. So you get $1.50 off every 3. The orange tags, you get about 75 cents off all 3. This was only $1.50, and this is something I never go after. The only graphic tee I own is a Foamy the Squirrel t-shirt that says, he's holding a french fry out, and it says, somebody should stab you in the eye with a really hot french fry. Other than that, I've never really been one to touch graphic tees, so when I saw this, I kind of put it back, but then I realized it was only $1.50, and it was a crop top, and it was light. So I kind of picked it up because I can make it work, and it is pretty cute. I got 2 pieces of jewelry. This was only $2, and I got it for the geodes. They're a light gray geode, and there's many of them. I think there's 8. Yep. They're gorgeous. It's a long necklace, and I really think that this will go with a lot of the stuff that I have. But even if it doesn't, I got it for the stones because I could not help but take these home with me. Next, I got a dress that I usually wouldn't go for, but I actually really enjoyed this design and the muted colors of it. It also has a gold strip going along right here, which I really enjoyed. So I thought I would check this out because it's a really good material. It feels like cotton mixed with something soft, and I think that this will be a really nice fall and summer dress. Now, fun fact, I haven't worn bras in about 3 or 4 years now. I just don't like them. I mean, I have a couple bralettes that I can wear occasionally when I'm wearing something very see-through, but I saw a couple bras that were only $1.50 from Victoria's Secret, so I had to pick them up. I got this red one, and then I got this black one, so that's all you need to see that. This dress I have to definitely stain remove because it was donated with stains. However, it's a really cute bodycon dress in a color that I wouldn't usually grab, and the design is really form-fitting, so I thought I would check it out and see if I could get the stains out. But I do like it, and I know there's some of you out there that'll think this is cute as well. The next one I got purely for my own benefit. I understand that this might be like a granny dress, but I also thought that the design was beautiful and the colors just got me, so I grabbed it anyways. Oh, and I love it. It's this really breathable, thin, but durable, hard to pull apart material. And the blue is gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to pick some 50s vibe shoes. And I really think I'm going to enjoy this. Leave a comment down below if you like this or if you hate it, because it's probably going to be one or the other. Next, I picked up a crop top because I loved it. This is a Victoria's Secret bedtime nightie, but I got it because it was $1.50, and it's silk, so it'll actually look really good with a skirt or some shorts. So I grabbed this as well. Next, I got this Hollister skirt. It has their logo on the belt right here, and then a really cool looking tribal design. But I thought this was a steal. $2 for Hollister is not bad at all, so I grabbed that up. This one kind of got me. It was really cute and very bright. I like the peach on it, and I like the muted gray. It's a very breathable shirt, and I don't have to wear a bra with it. It seems like it's meant to be tighter on the arms and up top, and then as you get down below the breasts, it kind of flares out just a little bit and is looser. And I really enjoy that. I think it'll look cute with some shorts or something. Next, I grabbed a jean jacket. Now, when I was a kid, I had this jean jacket that was long sleeve, and I was absolutely in love with it. I wore it everywhere all the time. I wore it to school, I wore it to the park, and I eventually grew out of that. And then I had one in high school, which was a shorter one with a button up, and then it was a really bleach white jean material, so it went well with peach dresses and yellow dresses and stuff, but I kind of got rid of that after a while as well. And I saw this today for $3 and fell in love with it. I don't know what about it, but I only get jean jackets if I find one that's absolutely perfect, and this one really caught my eye. I put it back twice and kind of was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because it's adorable. Now these are Ann Taylor business pants. They are going to be adorable. I always love getting business pants because they make your butt look good. They go well with a lot of clothing. And they're comfortable. They're breathable. They're comfortable. You feel like you're not even wearing pants if you get the right pair. So Ann Taylor has never failed me, and I got these. Guess what though? They're normally $2.75, which first of all, that's amazing. But they had a star on them, which if you remember from the beginning of the video, that's clearance. So these were 50 cents. Ding, 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 ding. I have a couple button-down business shirts that I'm going to wear with it, but I also wanted to try to pair that with a crop top because I think that's a little unconventional, but it'll look adorable, so I'm going to try that. One of the things I was really looking for was business skirts because I don't have any formal pressed looking skirts, so I found this and I got very excited. This is supposed to be like a pencil skirt, but it's a little bit looser for professional purposes. The fabric is one of those ones that doesn't stretch at all, and it's got a little slit right here by the thigh. And I feel like this would look really good with a plain white button down or like a blazer or something, and I can't wait to get down on that with some heels. This is another business skirt because I found two in the same run, which never happens for me, and this one is longer. It goes about mid-calf and it flares out so it like flows as you walk. It's a light gray, very good material, and you can put it with a lot of different things. So I definitely snagged this up for $2. The brand is Croft and Barrow, but I don't know that brand. I don't know if it's expensive or cheap. I don't know if it's durable, but I really enjoyed the skirt. This next dress is seriously a steal and a half. It was $2. It was $2. Look at this dress. It's Express, which all of you know is expensive. Go look up a dress from Express. You're not going to find one really cheap most of the time. Even their sweaters, I think, are like $60. So it has lace on the top, and then it goes into a very simple, oh my gosh, it's so perfect. It's form-fitting. It's a really good material, so it doesn't wrinkle. It's very naturally formed. Now this next thing was totally out of my comfort zone. I never, ever, ever go for this design on clothing, whether it's real, fake, printed, painted, pressed, whatever the case may be. I never like this design, but this time it was very muted and well put, and it's a snakeskin skirt. Now this material is like breathable and thin and flowy, and then you got the simple little tie here, and it goes almost all the way down. Actually, I'm short, so I checked this, and it goes all the way down to my feet. So I really think that this will go well with a couple of the crop tops that I got, and maybe that jean jacket or something like that, but I kind of think I might like this. Now the next one I actually am pretty excited about. I got this adorable little halter top dress. It's got bar inlays so that it's a little bit like tight and form-fitting and pressed so it doesn't wrinkle on you or fall down because it is a halter top. And then it's got a beautiful navy colored design and then flowers, and it's a shorter dress. But I'm very excited because this is going to look cute in so many occasions, and it was only $2. But that's everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want a lookbook, because that's also totally out of my comfort zone, but a lot of people really enjoy those, so let me know, because I can totally put these into awesome outfits with accessories that I have and stuff, and the shoes that I have. Give you the rundown, because you're gonna love that shit. I'll dance in front of the camera. You can see my dance moves, because they're not very good. And also subscribe so you guys can see all of our content when it comes out. If you want to, hit that notification button, that little bell. It's somewhere. I'm in a box, so I don't know where it is. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.